In this video, we will discuss 2 marks question of IT 402 subject from CBSE Board. And the question is, write the steps for identifying the duplicates in Excel. In your curriculum or syllabus, open office spreadsheets are included, but you should have knowledge about Excel also, as this is a question from MS Excel. In spreadsheet of open office, there are same options available, but the menus, the way you are doing the changes are different in both the softwares. So we will go to Excel and see the steps. Here I have created one column name in which I have kept 2 duplicate values of RAM, as it is very small column with some few values, so you can identify the duplicates easily. But if the column is big with large number of values, then it's very difficult to identify the duplicates. So what we have to do, we have to select the column or just select the data, and then you have to click conditional formatting, which is present in the home menu. Then click highlight cell rules, and finally click duplicate values. So as you can see, the duplicate values have been highlighted. If you want to change the color of highlighting, then you have to go to custom format and change the color as per your choice, like blue, or you can choose a different color. Suppose here I am choosing red, and okay. So now you can see the duplicate values have been highlighted with red color. So the steps for identifying duplicates are: click home, then select the column from which you want to remove duplicates, click conditional formatting option, which is present in the home menu only, and then click highlight cell rules, click duplicate values, and finally the duplicate values will be highlighted. So it's better to write them in points rather than in paragraphs. Always write the steps in points.